Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to do this video because I'm getting a lot of message asking me how I should do video on how to perform this Atlas project task. So in this video I'll show you how to do the labeling, the easiest way to do the labeling, the rules. There are new guidelines that they release on how to do these projects, how to do this labeling project. So this video I will show you how to follow those rules and perform this task. So before we continue, I want to tell you that this is a new account that I want to use to show you guys how to do this labeling task. So this is where you can link your payment method. So there are many things I'm going to show you. So this is if you come to this payment, you see we have a USDC and a USDT. If you're in Nigeria, use this a crypto option. This a wise it doesn't work for Nigerian people, but this a crypto work worldwide. For even if you're not in Nigeria, you can use crypto. But if you're in Nigeria, use crypto. So, but if you go to your Binance, Bybit or Bitgate, go to your USDT. If you want, like click like you want to deposit crypto, click a USDT. Then you copy your. If you go to the address, the address of the 20 must be under USDT to avoid making mistake. This is USDC and the USDT, they are all the same thing. You understand? So copy one and paste it here. Make sure that the network is ERC20 and the token is a USDT. Then if you once you copy and paste it, you click save, then you are good to go. So let's jump to the video, the labeling video. You come to this task, you can see this is the task I have here now. So in case if I click here and I don't like the task, I can just go back. I can go back and select another task. So I'll go back and select. If I don't like that one, I can come and select another task. And again, if all these tasks, I don't like all these tasks, I can click this release all tasks. This one and they will release all the pending tasks. Then I'll select the one I like. But let's try this first one. So as I'm going to label, I will be showing you the rules. You understand the rules that you need to follow. So this is a hold. Okay, I've worked on this project. I think I've worked on this project. Because yellow. Okay, let me just continue. Okay, hold tape row. The person is holding tape row. Adjust craft supplies on tables. Adjust craft supplies on table. So I have worked on this. Let me know you because if I use this thing, it will confuse you because I was the one that edited all these things. So let me use the one that I have not touched before to teach you how to do this task. So because let me check the second one. So this second one is okay. Let's use scrape soil with hoe. This one also I worked on this one. Let me check the last one. Um, so I'm trying to show you the one that I have not touched, so that you're not gonna be making mistakes. So this is the okay. Let's check the last one. Okay, I've not take this one. So what this person is doing, this is the user's prompt. A person prepares food ingredients on the floor by transferring sprouts from several small bags into a bowl and organizing vegetable containers. So this is the what mentions in the video. They have a sprouts, they have bag, they have bowl, they have basket and the cabbage. So this is what they mention in that this labeling. So what the person is doing here now is that the person is what the person did. The person pick up a bag, pick up bag. Okay, okay, okay. The person say transfer sprouts from plastic bag into bowl, which is wrong. That's not what the person did here. You understand? That's not what the person did here. So you are going to make sure that what you are labeling here is what the person did. You are going to remove this thing now. This is not what the person did. The person pick up bag, pick up bag, pick up bag. You can see move or or okay, just scope This is scoop. Use scoop. Scoop sprouts. Sprouts from bowl to bag. Pick up bag. Scoop sprouts from bowl to bag. That's what the person did here. So you don't need to what the person did here. So okay, now we can say this is 15 seconds. Here now we can just because the 15 seconds is more than the seconds that we need to label. The maximum seconds should be 10 seconds and the minimum should be um should be 2 seconds. So what the person did here, the person pick up bag and open bag. That's where we are going to cut this thing. Open bag. The person pick up bag and open bag. So here now we're going to go to split. So we're going to stop where the person opened the bag. The person opened the bag, opened the bag, opened the bag, opened the bag, opened the bag. Okay, so here we are going to stop here. You see it. So the person opened the bag. Then this is now 8 seconds. Then you have 6 seconds here. The person then scope. And again, you don't mention something like scope sprout with hand. You don't say something like that. You don't mention human part. You say scope sprouts from bowl to bag. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Then you just save. And you don't use ing like placing, running, except when you use ings, something like a sewing machine, which is a noun. Use the ing in a like sewing machine is a noun. But when it comes to you don't even label running. You only label visible action. You don't label like moving around the room when the person is not touching anything, except if the person is touching anything. That's the only thing you label. If the person is not touching anything, here now you write no action, no action. But since the person start touching anything, you need to label it. Then we go to this second one. You can see this thing is 14 seconds, and what we need is just 10 seconds. We're going to split this into two. Here now is 7 seconds, and okay, it's okay like this. So the person still scope. What the person is doing here is just okay. So and again, you don't say second because second means like you are telling a story. Yes, so it's like you are telling a story, but it's not a story. Yeah, everything you are putting here is like a command. You understand? It transfer sprout from second plastic bag into bowl. They are not transferring it from plastic bag into bowl. They are transferring it from bowl into the plastic bag. So here now this is wrong, and you don't say second. Still copy this thing, copy this thing and paste here because the person is still doing the same thing, but the thing there that the action changed. You understand? This was another one the person did. That's the reason why the action changed. The person is doing the same thing. The person is doing the same scope sprouts from boy to bag. That's what the person did. So let's check the one that we split. Let's see what the person did. Okay, the person there adjust the bag. So the person can say adjust the bag, adjust the bag. So adjust. And again, you don't say D. You don't say D. You don't use like D. D is not allowed. You remove it and you adjust bag. Everything should be like command. Adjust bag. Then you copy this. Here's the code the thing we copied because that's what the person scope sprouts from bullet to bag. So adjust bag. So which one? It's not like the same 14 seconds. So we're going to reduce it to, so we're going to split it. This is 7 seconds. Okay. 7 seconds is okay. Let's see what we say. Split it and then let's play it. You can see the person is still doing the same thing, but action changes, doing another thing. So we're going to paste the same this thing. Scope sprouts from forward to back. You can see the person is using hand to scoop it, but we are not using hand to scoop. So we are using just scoop sprouts from forward to back. So just leave it like this. Then you go to this one. The same thing the person is still doing. So just okay. As the person scoop it, the person seal. You don't say tie, you say see bag. Sorry, see bag, see bag. That's correct. See bag, scoop and the seal. So use a comma, don't use and. So the person did something here which did not show well. because if we are going to if you are going to add that, there's another action. The person place the sprouts on a stack of sprouts. You understand? If you add it here, if you say place if you say place sprouts, if you say place sprouts on stack, if you say place sprouts on stack, it means that you are using three atomic action. This is scoop sprouts from bowl to bag, comma, see bag, comma. This is two atomic action. But if you add this one, it's making it three atomic action, which is wrong. It's no, you don't do it. This is against their rules. You only do two. You understand? Only do two. So here now, and if you watch here now, the person place this action now touches where the person place the thing on the where the person want to place the thing on the stack. So we are going to remove it by this side. Use this one and remove it. Make it Abi. Wait, I'm coming. Okay. Let me see whether if I will see it again. Where the person you can see the person is no longer we are no longer seeing where the person placed the thing on stack. So this is correct. So we are going to go to this. You can see the person see bag place a bag on stack. See bag, see bag, comma, place bag, place bag on stack, place bag on stack, place bag on stack. Okay, this is what the person did here. Let's play it again. This leg that the person is touching, the person is not doing anything. Okay, the person later pick. Okay, I see. Okay, we are going to that place where the person pick that leather. We are going to add it here. So how do we add it? We are going to do this thing like this. Reduce it. You understand? So we reduce it. This is where the person pick up the bag. I'm going to make sure that we get it. Uh, so this is where the pen. You are going to adjust this thing timestamp. Adjust it. Let's play it. Yeah, see where we are adjusting. We are adjusting in the one that we have already. This number 7. We are adjusting the number 7 to enter number 8. You can see the person will pick up here. So pick up back. I can say adjust. Pick up back. Pick up back. Because the person pick up the bag and drop it. It's going to be like adjust back, and adjust ball, adjust back. We are trying to get all the whole action. Adjust back, comma, move basket containing. No, don't say this containing. Move basket, move a sprout basket, move a sprout, adjust sprout basket. You can just say adjust because the person just adjust a sprout, adjust sprout basket. So this is the right thing to do basket. Adjust sprout baskets. Adjust sprout baskets. Okay, because they are just baskets. Okay, adjust because the person touches many things. Just say adjust objects on table. Adjust objects on table. Adjust objects on table. Okay, so that is it. So adjust. This is what the person pick. Adjust bag. Adjust object on table. Okay, that's what the person did. Then we click this one. The person adjust bag. Okay, pick up bag. Open bag. Open empty plastic bag. Pick up. You can say pick up bag. Pick up bag, pick up bag, open open bag because we have been using bag. You don't need to add this empty plastic bag. Okay, just use only bag, open bag. Okay, pick up bag, open bag. That's what the person did here under 10 seconds. You have to wait for the video to end to know what the person actually did. So we need go to the third. Okay, move bowel of garbage. That's what the person did here. Pick up. Okay, this video is off. So in case if the video did not end well, you see this arrow here. You click on it to know whether if the video still remain, but there's no longer video here. This is the end. So the person just had just move bowel of garbage. You can just instead of to use move, say adjust, adjust, adjust bowel of garbage. Then adjust bowel of garbage. Then okay, adjust bowel of garbage. Adjust that this item that you just pick. I don't know. Can pick up a vegetable. You can just say vegetable. This is vegetable. I mean, vegetable. Okay, pick up vegetable. You can use vegetable. So I don't know this thing. It's vegetable. So this is correct. So this is it. Just you can see we got if nothing is more than okay. This one is more than 10 seconds. We can just add it here. You can add it here. Okay, let me just. I just okay. Okay, nothing is more than 10 seconds here. Then we submit. Come here and submit. When you are done, you submit. Okay, guys, this is how to do the task. So, if in case if you have any question, you can just come to my DM and ask me. So, you check the comment section of this video. I'll drop the link to our WhatsApp group where you can ask question. Join the link, the WhatsApp group, and be asking your question anywhere you are confused. You can ask question in our WhatsApp group, or you can come to my DM and ask me personal. So, I don't know if you have any other question, you can just drop it in the comment section. I'll attend to you. So, guys, see you in my next video. What I do in my YouTube channel is to make video on how to make money online, how to enter new AI sites like Outlier, Liner, and Former. And if you have accounts that you want someone to manage for you, you can message me. I am ready to manage your account. Like account I manage is like Outlier, Former, and Liner. If you have this account, you can message me and I'll manage it for you. So, and again, if you have any question, you can just drop it. I would like to attend to you, get you started, help you to get started. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you.